Hey everybody, it's Ken Bertzel here at Sunnyside Chevrolet in Northeast Ohio, giving you a look at this 2018 Chevy Bolt with a B. It's a Premier. If you live in Northeast Ohio and want to come check it out, give me a call at 440-365-7311. Make sure you share this video. If you want a little bit more information, you want my thoughts about the interior, exterior, all that kind of stuff, check out that video in the top right hand corner. This one's just going to be a quick walk around. This is a nice Premier. You get upgraded rims, more chrome accents, those roof cross rail, side rails. You're going to get all kinds of good stuff like surround vision. Now this has a 60 kilowatt hour lithium ion battery, lithium rechargeable battery, extremely long distance. 200 horsepower, 266 pound-foot of torque, 238 mile range. Take that, Tesla. All kinds of good stuff here. This one has the DC fast charging. It gives you like 90 miles range and a half hour of charge. So if you're in a pinch, that'll help. Power locks, windows, mirrors. Nice 10.2 inch display up front here, 8 inch here. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel. This one's got the this one has like everything you can get on a Bolt. Confidence convenience package. Infotainment package. If you need to pause it here, check this out. This is just the MSRP 44. The Premiers start about 40, 41 there. But that's before discounts or anything like that, so don't freak out. But this one's here in Sunnyside Chevrolet in Elyria, Ohio. If you guys want to come drive it, give me a call, 440-365-7311. Subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video, and you guys have a good day.